morning, everyone. My name is Sun Mingxi. Today, I'd like to share my reflections on how linguistic concepts have influenced my teaching practice with ESL students of mixed proficiency levels in primary school. The focus of my teaching is on developing students' vocabulary, grammar, and speaking skills to enhance their ability to use language in real-life contexts. The learning environment primarily involves daily communication, understanding classroom instructions, and completing basic writing tasks. In this reflection, I will explore how morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics indicate in this context, and how understanding these concepts support effective teaching and learning. Let's start with morphology, the study of word structure. According to my studies, I have found that teaching affixes and root words is highly effective. For example, when teaching person and profession vocabulary, introducing the affixes can help students easily understand the meaning of words like teacher and driver, allowing them to infer other related words. This approach makes vocabulary learning more systematic for students. However, I have also learned that some younger or less proficient students struggle with abstract affix rules. Therefore, I have added more examples, pictures, and actions to make these concepts more accessible. From my perspective, understanding morphology has equipped me with a scientific method to teach vocabulary, making the process more efficient and engaging for students. Next, syntax, which deals with sentence structure in writing and speaking activities. Enhancing correct sentence structure is important. For instance, guiding students to combine simple sentences like he went to the park, he played the football, into one sentence like he went to the park and played football helps improve the coherences of their writing. Analyzing sentence structures is model essays also aids students in understanding how to construct more complex sentences. Semantic knowledge allows me to accurately identify students' difficulties in sentence structure and design targeted practice activities, such as sentence pattern transformations and mistake correction exercises. This systematic approach significantly enhances students' grammatical accuracy and writing skills. Okay, let's move on the semantics, the study of meaning. In vocabulary and reading lessons, explaining meaning relationships is essential. For example, guiding students to guess the meaning of the word delicious from context and discussing the different meaning of bright in a bright student and a bright light fosters their ability to analyze context. This practice helps students move beyond the literal meaning of words, thereby improving the accuracy of their reading comprehension and the richness of their language expression. Okay, the next one, pragmatics, which focus on language in use. In developing daily communication ability, it's important to guide students to understand context, politeness principles, and appropriate language use. In my opinion, role-playing activities are effective here. For example, setting up scenarios like asking the teacher for help or discussing weekend plans with friends allows students to practice using different tones and expressions, experiencing the appropriateness of language in various situations. Pragmatic knowledge helps me integrate language teaching with the real social communication scenarios, cultivating students' communicative strategies and intercultural awareness. This ensures that students not only master language forms, but also use language flexibly and appropriately in real communication. In conclusion, reflecting on these linguistic concepts has provided me with several key points. Firstly, combining linguistic theory with teaching practice has made my instruction more targeted and effective. Secondly, it has enhanced my awareness of the nature of language and the learning process, helping me become a more reflective teacher. Thirdly, it has highlighted areas for optimizing my teaching strategies, such as paying closer attention to individual student differences. Finally, it has reinforced the importance of lifelong learning as linguistic knowledge continues to evolve, and I need to stay updated to meet the changing needs of my students. Okay, the next page is the reference list. Thank you for your attention.